Welcome to online classes, student. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 11, the Nobel laureates. So class 4, today we are going to discuss about the Nobel Prize winners, right? So firstly, know about the Nobel Prize. Nobel Prize are considered the biggest international awards and are given in 6 different categories. In the video, you will see some signs or some pictures, right? So you can recognize them as the categories of literature, physics, chemistry, economics, medicine, and peace. These are the categories in which the Nobel Prize are given. Right? These awards were established by Swedish scientist Alfred Nobel. Right? In 1895. So let's start and know the Nobel Prize winners of India. So let's start with the first picture of Rabindranath Tagore. So Rabindranath Tagore, year in 1913, he got category Literature Nobel Prize. Right? You can see the picture of Nobel Prize. Okay. So next one is C.V. Raman. He got in physics, year 1930. You can see this one is the sign of physics. Yes, next is Hargobind Khorana. He got the Nobel Prize in the category of medicine in year 1968. This is the sign of medicine. Okay, go to next. Mother Teresa, year 1979. Category peace. This is the sign of peace. The bird, right? Mother Teresa, one of the great lady. Subramaniam Chandrasekhar, he got in physics, year 1983. Amartya Sen, he got the economics Nobel Prize. He is the only one who got the Nobel Prize in economics from India. So in 1998. Next, Venkataraman Ramakrishnan, year 2009, category chemistry. You can see the picture of Venkataraman Ramakrishnan and also the sign of chemistry. The last, we can say, Kailash Satyarthi, he got Nobel Prize in Peace in 2014. So all these prominent faces, you can say, of Nobel Prize winners, their works are very unique, that's why they given the Nobel Prize. Kailash Satyarthi, you can learn about him, what he done for the labor kits, right, in India. So these names of India who got Nobel Prize, right? Rabindranath Tagore in literature, he wrote many big things or famous literatures by Rabindranath Tagore ji. One of the Gitanjali, one of them. C.V. Raman in physics, right? And yes, in the medicine, Hargobind Singh Khorana, he done lot of things in medicine. And yes, Mother Teresa, one of those ladies in the world who only work for the mankind, who believe in brotherhood, who believe in humanity, right? And the second award of physics Nobel Prize goes to Subramaniam Chandrasekhar ji, right? And then we learn about Amartya Sen ji. When you study about economics, Amartya Sen is one of the prominent faces in the economic studies, right? Then when we learn about the you can see here Ramakrishnan ji, chemistry, the work of Ramakrishnan in the chemistry, that is very unique. That's why the Nobel Prize given to him. And yes, in the last we learn about Kailash Satyarthi ji, the work from the rural areas to urban areas, the labor, you can say the child development policies of this man is recognized at the world level. That's why he recognized as the Nobel Prize winner of 2014 in the category of peace. So, and yes, as I said, Amartya Sen is the first Indian and Asian Nobel laureate in the economics. So these are the Nobel Prize winners of India from India. So okay, and I think so. This is very good thing in our India that so many great people living here, right? They are working different fields and they are recognized at international level in the world. So that's all for today. Thank you, students.